Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll walk you through every step to design an eye-catching flyer in Canva. Click the Create button, then type Flyer into the search bar to begin creating your new flyer project. Set the layout to Portrait for this tutorial. This ensures your document matches the format we'll be using throughout. Select Templates from the menu on the left side to access available options for your project customization. For example, the color was set to orange. Let's see if we can enhance the design by making further adjustments. Try selecting a new shade or modifying the current orange to achieve a different look. Experiment with various design elements to find the style that best fits your project goals. Start by creating a new sample. Once the sample is created, begin adding the necessary elements to it. After all required elements have been added, proceed to input the appropriate values for each element to complete the setup of your sample. Click the Add button to include the new item to your list and confirm the addition to proceed. To add a display, first, navigate to the toolbar and select the Display option. Click it to open the display settings. Here, you can choose the type of display you want, such as a chart, graph, or table. After selecting your display type, customize its appearance by adjusting colors, labels, and data sources as needed. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Apply button to add the display to your project. Your new display will now appear on your dashboard. Once satisfied with your sign, click the Share button to continue. Select Download, then choose your preferred file format from the options. Click the format you want to ensure the best performance. You've just learned how to create eye-catching flyers in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.